welcome to day 3, guys. These daily videos are really taking a toll on us. I mean, just to cite an example, yesterday Akshay had to go to his office at 9 a.m. and we finished the workout by 8:40. So he only had 20 minutes to take a shower, then have breakfast, and then leave for work. Now, talking about shower, so when it comes to showering, there are basically two options that you have. You can either go for a cold shower or a hot shower. Each has its own benefits. But I'll tell you in brief. So when it comes to hot shower, it helps detoxify your skin. It opens up the pores of your skin and your scalp. It gets rid of the sinus that you have. So it's very good for that. And cold shower, it does the exact opposite. It actually closes the pores and everything tightens up slightly. So athletes mostly prefer cold shower because with cold showers they can recover quickly, and so it helps with that. But a lot of people actually go for hot showers because it is very good to relax your body, and in case you have inflammation, it will help you with that as well. So you can go with either, whatever suits your body, whatever your body needs. But this is the brief that I wanted to let you guys know. So now let's jump to the workout for the day, and then let's hit the gym. So welcome to day 3, guys. As you can see, today's workout is mostly going to be about legs, but we are also going to include some other body parts. So to start the workout, we have divided it into 3 segments like we always do. First, we are going to start with some active stretching. Now, to quickly explain it, the difference between active and passive stretching is that in active stretching, we are not holding the stretches for too long. So we are moving between the stretches constantly. Now, from there, we are going to do some free weight squats because we want to make sure that our legs are properly warmed up. Then some ankle mobility works because I, for one, have really bad ankle mobility, and if I don't do a proper warm up for my ankles, then that affects my performance in the squat rack. So then when we come to the whole true workout itself, it's mostly about legs, as you can see, but we are also going to throw in some mix of body parts, like we are going to do some bicep rolls and some other exercises that you will see in the video soon. From tomorrow, hopefully we'll be able to focus on 2 body parts at a time. Now, jumping to the cardio quickly. So for cardio, we don't like to do boring stuff like walking on a treadmill for 10-15 minutes. That just doesn't work for us. So what we like to do is that we would either do some thrusters, or we would do burpees or jumping lunges. Anything that gets the heart rate up works for us. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to the gym.